Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the shadows in your videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app, then add one of your videos to your project, and then to start adjusting your shadows in your video, you just have to tap on the adjust menu in the right side of the screen, and you will find the shadows option almost in the middle of the screen here. And by tapping on it, it's going to appear a new slider, and with this new slider you can adjust the shadows in that video segment. You can apply these settings to all of your videos, or you can adjust your videos sections one by one. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can do it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.